Hey guys, my name is Paul, mate, and welcome to my YouTube channel. You will see a lot of stuff like hey Paul, I really don't understand why your YouTube channel is, a lot of stuff is going on. Yeah, really. A lot of stuff is going on, like sometimes you play video game. Okay, yeah, sometimes I play a video game, and also sometimes you upload something very weird, special effect, and also it's like special effect and stuff like that. What is going on? What is your channel about? Oh yeah, and also it's like, oh, you know what? I'm gonna unsubscribe to your channel. Then you will see what is going on. No, don't do that. Yeah, this is all about my channel, and you do something that you really love, even you have no idea what you're doing, but at least you try what you love, and that is good. So that is all about my channel, and I know sometimes you see a lot of stuff going on in my YouTube channel. It's all about what you love. It's been 1 year since I have created my YouTube channel. I will really improve myself in what I'm doing. Once again, thank you so much for comments and your encouragement. I really do appreciate it. From my bottom of my heart, I would say thank you. Wait, how come you have my cat? Yeah, you remember? And I am you. Wait, I am you. You are in. I am you, and you are me. Yeah, maybe we should take this off. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe for more video. And every Thursday and Sunday, a new video is uploaded.